Ever wonder if that younger woman at the coffee shop is secretly flirting with you? Well, you're in luck because we've got the inside scoop on how younger women subtly show their interest in older men. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of cross-generational flirting. 1. Sharing personal details. Picture this. You're chatting with a younger woman, and suddenly, she's spilling the beans about her childhood dreams, or that embarrassing moment at her college graduation. What's going on here? Well, my friend, she's not just being chatty, she's building a bridge of intimacy between you two. When a younger woman starts sharing personal details, it's like she's inviting you into her world. She might tell you about her family, her career aspirations, or even her fears and insecurities. This isn't just small talk. It's her way of saying, hey, I trust you enough to let you in. But why does this matter? Well, by opening up, she's creating a sense of closeness and connection. It's her subtle way of saying, I'm interested in more than just surface-level conversation with you. So, next time a younger woman starts sharing her life story, pay attention. She might just be flirting with you in the most intimate way possible, by letting you see the real her. 2. Flattering your style. Let's talk about compliments. You know that feeling when someone notices your new haircut or that snazzy tie you picked out? Well, when a younger woman is flirting with you, she'll make sure you feel that way often. She might casually mention how much she loves your leather jacket or how that gray in your beard makes you look distinguished. These aren't just random observations. They're her way of saying, I'm paying attention to you and I like what I see. But it's not just about stroking your ego, although that's a nice bonus. By complimenting your style, she's showing that she appreciates the effort you put into your appearance. It's her subtle way of saying, I see you as an attractive man, not just an older guy. So, the next time a younger woman comments on your watch or asks where you got those shoes, don't just brush it off. She might be trying to tell you something without actually saying it. And hey, who doesn't love a good compliment, right? 3. Complimenting your experience. Ever notice how she hangs on your every word when you're telling a story from your past? Or how she seems genuinely impressed when you share some life advice? That's not just politeness, my friend. It's a classic flirting move. When a younger woman is into an older guy, she often finds his life experience incredibly attractive. She might say things like, wow, you've seen so much, or I wish I had your insight. These aren't just empty words. They're her way of showing that she values what you bring to the table. But here's the kicker. By complimenting your wisdom, she's also subtly positioning herself as someone who can learn from you. It's a clever way of creating a dynamic where you're the experienced mentor and she's the eager student. And let's face it, who doesn't like feeling wise and respected? So next time she asks for your opinion on a life decision or seems genuinely impressed by your worldly knowledge, take note. She might be saying more than just, you're smart. She could be saying, I'm interested in you. 4. Highlighting differences as attractive. All right, let's tackle the elephant in the room, the age gap. You might think it's a drawback, but guess what? When a younger woman is flirting with you, she'll often turn that age difference into your secret weapon. She might playfully call you her silver fox, or joke about how you can introduce her to all the classic movies she's missed. These aren't backhanded compliments. They're her way of saying, I find our age difference sexy. But it goes deeper than that. She might express admiration for your maturity, saying things like, guys my age are so immature, or I love how you know exactly what you want. By doing this, she's not just flattering you. She's emphasizing why she's drawn to older men in general, and you in particular. So, the next time she mentions the age gap, don't cringe. Instead, pay attention to how she frames it. If she's turning your years of experience into an attractive quality, chances are she's not just being nice. She's flirting with you, loud and clear. If these dating tips are helping you, imagine what a personalized strategy session could do. Click the like button, drop us a comment, and don't forget to book your free strategy call to discover how to meet more women and date with assurance. The link is in the pinned comment. 5. Showing interest in your stories. Picture this. You're regaling her with tales of your backpacking days through Europe, and she's hanging on your every word like it's the most fascinating story she's ever heard. Is she just being polite? Maybe. But more likely, it's her way of flirting with you. When a younger woman is interested in an older man, she often shows it by being genuinely captivated by his life stories. She'll ask follow-up questions, laugh at your jokes, even the dad jokes, and might even say things like, I wish I could have been there to see that. But here's the thing. She's not just listening, she's actively engaging. She might relate your experiences to her own life or ask for your advice on similar situations. This isn't just polite conversation. It's her way of building a connection and showing you that she values your experiences. So, the next time you find yourself spinning yarns about the good old days and she's all ears, take note. She might be saying more with her attentive silence than words ever could. And who knows? Your stories might just be the bridge to something more. 6. Using playful teasing. All right, let's talk about teasing. You know that playful jab she gives you about your dad jokes or your obsession with classic rock? Well, that's not just her being cheeky. It's a classic flirting move. When a younger woman is into an older guy, she often uses teasing as a way to create a fun, flirtatious dynamic. She might playfully mock your old man habits or jokingly call you grandpa. But here's the key. It's always done with a smile and a respectful tone. This kind of teasing serves multiple purposes. First, it's a way to show that she's comfortable enough with you to joke around. Second, it's her subtle way of acknowledging the age difference without making it a big deal. And third, it's an invitation for you to tease her back, creating a fun back and forth that can lead to more flirtatious interactions. So the next time she pokes fun at your vinyl collection or your fondness for early bird specials, don't take offense. Instead, see it for what it likely is, a flirtatious invitation to play. Just remember to keep it light and respectful, and you might find yourself in a delightful game of verbal ping pong. 7. Highlighting shared interests. Ever notice how she gets super excited when you mention your love for obscure 80s bands or your passion for hiking? That's not just coincidence, my friend. When a younger woman is flirting with an older man, she often goes out of her way to highlight shared interests. She might say things like, "I can't believe you love that too. None of my friends get it." Or, "You're into photography as well? We should totally go shooting together sometime." This isn't just small talk. It's her way of building a bridge between your two generations. By emphasizing these common interests, she's creating a sense of connection and compatibility. It's her subtle way of saying, "See, age is just a number. We have so much in common." Plus, it gives her an excuse to suggest shared activities or future meetups. So the next time she gets overly enthusiastic about a shared hobby or interest, pay attention. She might be doing more than just making conversation. She could be laying the groundwork for a deeper connection. And who knows? That shared love of vintage vinyl or foreign films might just be the start of something special. And there you have it, the secret playbook of younger women flirting with older men. So what's next for you? Discover the body language signs she's interested, or learn how to really stand out to younger women. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.